So you want to own one of my guitars. So I've been lucky enough to work with Justin Johnson over the past couple of years. We've collaborated on a number of projects, the best known being the Whiskey Barrel guitar. He's actually giving away one of his on his channel to celebrate getting to 1 million subscribers. He's got about 710,000 as of right now, and he's doing a giveaway every 100,000. It's been incredibly awesome to have worked with someone like Justin. I found Justin a couple years ago. He was at like 19,000 subscribers, and I was at like 26. And then he did the shovel guitar, and then we did the Whiskey Barrel guitar, and now Justin is a household name in the blues-loving community. So for him to get to 1 million subs, he is doing a giveaway. I will put the video link below. To enter, you need to be subscribed to my channel and his channel and comment on the video below. He will then go ahead and pick a winner, post a video, and you got to be subscribed with the bell notification, and he will give that guitar away when he hits 800,000 subscribers. He'll be doing this to get to that 1 million, trying to drive some subscribership, and he decided to bring me along for the ride, which is awesome. So I know most of you guys probably are already subscribed to Justin. He is a one-of-a-kind, unique talent, and we're giving away the back of the barrel guitar that I posted a couple years ago. I'm sure most of you didn't see that video, but what we did is we took the backs of the whiskey barrel and we saw them off, and then I had enough of them that were thick enough that I said, hey, let's try and build the back of the barrel. We sort of Johnny cashed it out in all black, and the way that this wood dries is really unique. For some reason, some of the barrels that I've been working with, the char sort of falls apart, but for a certain brand of barrels, it actually solidifies and becomes a really cool finish. So I don't know why some work and some don't. I haven't figured that all out yet. But the back of the barrel guitar is made from the slats that are glued up. It's got a white oak neck that's been blacked out as well, and it's just got a really cool appearance. You can see that video here with some music by Justin Johnson, of course. So thanks for watching, guys. Real quick and easy way to enter. Be subscribed to Justin. Be subscribed to me. Comment on his video in the link below. And then there's a little bit of an instruction on how to make sure that it's public so we can see it. You got to watch that video from him. He will post the winner, who has to be subscribed to my channel and his channel. It's a great way to get a custom-built, one-of-a-kind guitar that just isn't out there in market. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the love towards Justin and appreciate Justin giving me the shout out and opportunity to work with him. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.